Wow, Daddy, check this out.
You're doing some foot drawing?
He's doing foot drawing.
Very.
Oh, it's cool.
Wow.
And we've drawn a strumpet. Was it or a slumpet?
A slumpet.
A slumpet. And there's a wangle trumpet.
Wow. Is that you playing it, Kit?
Yeah. That's me.
That's me. And you did a good K as well, but you scribbled over it. But that's fine. That's what it's all about. To the shops. You right under there, Kit?
Yeah.
How's that umbrella?
Alright.
It's all right. Good to hear it.
Where's all the water coming from?
The sky. Rainy day. We've not had one for a while though, so that's something. Hi. Splashy times!
Splash.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath early on a Saturday night.
Bouncing on the bed. Bouncing on the bed.
Baby bounce.
Bum bounce.
Bouncing bed. Bouncing bed. Bouncing bed. Bouncing bouncing bed. Bouncing bed. Bouncing bed. Bouncing 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 bed. Bouncing bed. Bouncing bouncing bed.
Is it time for the bum bounce?
Bouncing bed, bouncing bed, bouncing bouncing bed, bouncing bed, bouncing bed.
Yeah, you won't bounce up like you do on trampolines.
Bouncing on the bed, bouncing on the bed, bouncing on the bouncing on the bouncing on the bouncing, bounce.
Is this song just on the loop? Oh, okay. I'm a hot air balloon. Whee! I'm floating in the air. They're saying, wow, he's so high up in his hot air balloon. We can never get him in there, that naughty dwarf. Oh no, he fell to the ground.
Pick it up with the string.
Yeah, use the white string to pick it up.
Use the white string, Kit.
Speedo! Meow. Well, that was great. Oh, you went really fast.